It takes some serious care to run a cattle ranch, and even more so during the winter. Today, we're in Almira, learning how ranchers deal with the frigid cold winters of Washington.
My name's Carrie McKay, and we're north of Almira, Washington on a wheat and cattle ranch in the beginning of March. I run a few thousand acres of pasture ground and about 180 head of cattle.
But here's the thing. She runs the ranch by herself.
To an outsider looking in, it's probably unreal that a woman's doing this kind of thing, but I'm a pretty athletic, active woman. Anyways, I was, in my younger days, an elite marathon runner, so I'm not afraid to work.
So tell me, what's going on here?
This is my house cow. Her name is Peanut.
Do farmers usually do this with calves?
I don't know about most farmers, but they do here.
This winter, Carrie kept Peanut inside because she was the smallest between her and her twin.
Most moms can't take both twins because they don't provide enough milk to feed both. And she was so small, and it's been so cold the month of February, it was just easier to keep her in the house.
What are we preparing here?
Actually, Peanut's had a sensitive stomach, and so we're gonna heat up some whole milk for now.
All right.
And give her a bottle and let her have some breakfast before she tears up the kitchen.
And I think the linoleum floors help, right?
Oh yeah. Throw a little bleach down and we're good to go.
Come here, Peanut. I'm gonna hold this up a little higher for you. There you go. That's a big bottle. All right,
Come
look
on,
at this.
Peanut.
Let's go, Peanut.
You coming, Peanut? Oh, potty break. Whoever thought you could potty train a cow, right? This guy here's not doing very good. We're gonna give him a shot. He's been struggling since about the second day he's born.
After talking to a veterinarian, Carrie gives the sick calf a shot of antibiotics and a solution of medicine and electrolytes through a tube that goes down the throat and straight to the calf's stomach.
Sometimes we get a calf that's not thriving, and some are born with the will to live, and some are not.
If a calf should pass away, Peanut would be given to the mom to be a surrogate calf, giving the mother cow a new baby and giving Peanut a new mom.
She thinks that that's her calf, and life goes on, and they live happily ever after. But that's the reason why I keep Peanut, is for a replacement in case I have something go down or pass away, and then I've got a replacement calf.
We're right in the middle of calving season, and that keeps Carrie very busy, checking for new calves around the clock. What does your day look like? I mean, you gotta be busy.
This time of year, I'm busy.
When do you wake up?
Well, when do I get to go to bed?
Carrie calves in the winter because in the spring, when it's muddy, the newborns can get infections from the mud.
And when everything starts thawing out, we turn to a mud hole. We want to be done calving by the time the grass grows so that we can kick them out onto pasture and give them a chance to spend the summer growing and being with their mom. These are my bulls.
Gotcha.
They will stay in the herd and help reproduce the herd.
Make more peanuts.
Yeah, make more peanuts. There we go.
Well, Carrie, thank you so, look at that. Thank you so much for giving me a chance to go out there and feed some calves and feed little Peanut. I mean, awesome. I mean, you were working your butt off more than a lot of people are out there. And
Thanks.
I know for everyone out there, thank you for what you do.
Yeah, thanks for coming.
It's awesome.
Yeah,
Thanks.
thank you for coming.